Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to generate the random numbers with that of esp32. As we are doing the online simulation, so we have to write wokwi, and wokwi is our online simulator and it will give us a lot of options about different microcontrollers. So here we will select esp32. So now this is our esp32 microcontroller and we will try to generate random numbers with it. Okay, so invite setup. Okay, because we don't need any sort of connections like VCC or ground. Okay, is they are already configured within the compiler. So on right hand side we are not supposed to do anything. Okay, now we will just write one thing, that is int a is equal to random 0, 100. Now this is a very simple command or function, okay, that is random. This function will generate any random numbers between 0 and 100. Okay, so any random number will get generated and then it will be stored inside this variable a. Okay, and then we can serially print it out. Serial dot print ln. Okay, wait, let me write random number generated colon. Okay, random number generated in colon, and then we need to write serial dot print. Okay, and then we will write serial dot print ln, and here we will write a. So in this way we can generate any random number. So now we will also write delay of 1000 because we need at least 1 second delay. So now I will, okay, so I will run it out. This side semicolon. So yes, there must be semicolon. So now we will run it out. Now it used to generate random number, that is 59, 47, 66, 77, 12, 35, 41 and all these things. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can write the random numbers with the esp32. But one more thing, that within this random function, the random function will be from 0 to 100. Okay, like if you want to write any random number between 0 and 1000, then obviously it will take from this range. Random function will generate numbers from 0 to 1000. So hopefully it is clear to you. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.